Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Save in Chats feature in Snapchat. So for this, first of all, you have to open the Snapchat application. There is no direct configuration to disable the Save in Chat option on Snapchat, but I will show you a workaround you can do instead. To start, go to this chat screen section. Open the specific chat that you don't want to have saved messages in. Tap the chat header and click on these three dots in the upper right corner. Navigate to chat settings and tap on this delete chats after viewing and set to delete chats after viewing. Once it is viewed by the recipients, your chat will be automatically deleted. Keep in mind though that the chat will only be deleted if each party closes the conversation thread. As a result, the chat recipients may still be able to use the Save in Chat option. You should know that saved chats will remain in the thread even after viewing and closing the conversation. To erase the saved chat from your recipient, you can manually delete the message instead. So press and hold on your chat and click on this delete. After that, the message will be deleted on both ends. If this specific configuration is not available, make sure you update your application to the latest version. Updating your app ensures that you always have the latest features, bug fixes and security updates. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.